Hi everyone, today we have a nonfiction book about autumn, and this is called Hello Autumn, and it's by Shelley Rotner, and we've read a couple of other of her books about the different seasons, and today we're reading about autumn. It's my favorite season. Summer is ending, autumn is coming, so that's kind of where we are right now. Very into summer, just starting autumn. Maybe you've started to spy some leaves changing colors. The last flowers bloom, sunflowers hang their heavy heads, insects sing their goodbye songs. Yeah, so sunflowers are kind of a late summer flower. They're starting to wilt. Swallows swoop. So swallows are a type of bird. They swoop. Changes in the air. It feels cool and crisp. Yeah, instead of t-shirts and shorts, you're starting to wear sweaters and a hat. The days get shorter. The shadows get longer. Trees and plants spread their seeds. New ones can grow in the spring. Milkweed seeds dance in the wind. So we've got plants releasing their seeds. They're not going to grow quite yet, but they're starting to release them so that they can grow in springtime. And one of those seeds are acorns. Acorns and pine cones scatter on the forest floor. Maple seeds twirl to the ground. Yeah, one thing I always enjoyed, we call these helicopters, is sometimes when they're ready to fall and you get a gust of wind, the sky starts to rain down maple seeds, and it looks pretty beautiful. I also love spotting acorns on the ground, pine cones, all sorts of different tree seeds. Autumn is here. Yellow, gold, red, and orange leaves. Which color is your favorite to see? I think I like red the best, but yellow is a close second. Fly and fall to the ground. Oh, how beautiful. We gather bouquets of beautiful leaves and rake and jump in colorful piles. Yeah, that's a fun activity in fall. Cold temperatures at night bring morning frost. Yeah, the morning dew can get so cold that it freezes to frost. Animals get ready for the cold days ahead. Squirrels collect and store nuts and build their cozy nests. Owls find shelter in hollows in trees. Yep, it's a busy time if you're an animal. Gotta prepare for that winter. Sheep and horses grow thicker coats to stay warm. Dogs and cats do too. Birds grow more feathers. Soon, turtles will bury themselves deep in mud. Snakes and earthworms will burrow underground. So yeah, so different animals have different adaptations to deal with the cold climate ahead. Some animals migrate. They go south to find food to stay warm or to breed. Yeah, so you probably see a lot of geese flying, or birds, but particularly geese are easy to spot because of the flying V. Those are one animal that you know fall is coming when you start, or fall is here when you start to see the geese heading south for the winter. But other animals that might migrate are humpback whales, monarch butterflies. Here we have a bison. Other animals get ready to go into a deep sleep until spring. Bees store extra honey in their hives. Bats and bears find caves. Some frogs will sleep in muddy ponds. Yeah, so some animals, they don't leave, but they hibernate all winter long. They kind of slow and shut down so that they don't need to keep eating every day, and they just kind of sleep the winter through. People are getting ready for winter too. We harvest the last crops: carrots, pumpkins, squash, and apples. So these are crops people often associate with fall, especially pumpkins and apples, because this is when they're ready to harvest. Sticky pages. Cranberries float and turn red. Corn stalks turn golden. Many people preserve food to eat through the winter. We put our gardens to bed with covers of leaves. Yeah, so there's some more fruits and vegetables that are ready during fall. So canning is a way to, we can't eat everything you grew. You can save some for later in the process of canning or preserving. Autumn is a time to celebrate Halloween. So we've got some spooky jack-o'-lanterns and costumes. I just love Halloween myself. And Thanksgiving. We give thanks for the bounty of food from our earth. Yeah, I also love Thanksgiving. It's another autumn holiday. Celebrating time of bounty. There's so much to be thankful for. All the food that's around during autumn. The trees have lost their leaves and are bare. The soil is cold. The ground is hard. The days are getting shorter and shorter. And then it's the shortest day of the year, and winter is here. So as we move into winter, the days get shorter and shorter. The temperatures get cooler and cooler. And then on the shortest day, we have winter. All right, let's read some autumn facts. Fall begins the autumnal equinox on or close to September 21st. On this day, there are about the same number of hours of daylight and darkness. Throughout fall, the days get shorter and the nights grow longer. The sun is lower in the sky and the air is cooler. The leaves on many trees turn colors and fall. Why do leaves turn color? Changes occur inside leaves. The job of a leaf is to make food. Leaves do this all summer long with the help of sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, and chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is what makes leaves green. In fall, there's less sunlight and leaves can no longer produce food. They also produce a waterproof coating. With no water, leaves stop making chlorophyll. As the green chlorophyll goes away, other colors are visible, such as yellow, orange, and red. All fall leaves live on food that was stored during the summer. When all the stored food is used up, the leaf dies, turns brown, and falls. Fall comes to the end on winter solstice, which occurs around December 21st. The winter solstice is the shortest day of the year and marks the beginning of winter. So those dates are the meteorological can't say that word, fall and winter. So September 21st is when fall officially begins, and December 21st is when winter officially begins. But you might start experiencing autumn-like weather or start doing autumn activities before that. We might also be experiencing winter-like weather before the 21st of December. So one thing I'll say is while autumn is here, enjoy it. Soak it up. Do all sorts of your favorite fun activities to enjoy the season, and take notice of the changes you see around you. What are the plants doing? What are the animals doing? What are people doing in autumn? There's so much to learn and enjoy during this season, and I hope you get a chance to do it all. Thanks for reading and learning with me. Have a terrific day. See you soon.